So this was a team deathmatch in the back of the map at Capital Combat Zone. It started like a lot of them do, with a lot of shooting and a lot of hits, and unfortunately a lot of people not calling those hits.
Hey! Andy, watch up here on your left. Hey, watch up here.
After respawning, I found myself in a quickly escalating scenario.
We're way too fucking close to me right now.
Where's my boy Tyvek?
Where are they at? Nobody's talking. Where are they at? Hey, where are they at? Spot them out!
Get everywhere!
Military base one. Coming up on you, Brandon, on your right.
You see the one in the window? Hey, careful, careful.
Hey, behind that. On that corner fence, Brandon.
I got a chain.
He's gonna peek your right. Hey, truck's coming up on your right, Brandon.
Hey,
He's on that corner fence.
you're 12.
Lucas, I need you over here. They're too close for me.
Where are you at?
They're on this corner fence.
All right, he's there.
On that corner
Hey,
fence.
can you put?
Little kid.
Watch out. You want to go high?
Yeah.
There is one in the two windows there, the small ones.
Yeah, I think.
I got that guy in the corner.
I got you.
There's a guy still doing that. Keep him suppressed. I'm gonna move up.
There's a runner on that first floor. Hey, on that floor. The first floor up on you, Brandon. Brandon, I got 3 pushing your left.
All right, you got me. Go kill. Go push. I got bang bang. Are we doing bang bangs? Are we doing surrenders? What are we doing?
It's optional if you want to take
Huh?
if he's looking at you.
All right.
Hey, that's good enough, Brandon. Let him hit.
They kept pushing the right side, so I moved further over to our far right boundary to see if I
Anybody
could
see
bother
over the
them a
hill
little
if they
bit
stand up?
before the game ended.
No?
How many?
I got one. I'm on my last mag. I got one. We just got to push up along this fence line and along the castle.
All right. When do you want to push?
Hold up. We'll get suppressive fire going here in a second.
Hey, can you suppress?
Oh no.
I was like, I don't know.
I got 60 rounds left.
I got 7.
All right, I got one. All right, I'm pushing up. I'm pushing up.
All right.
Take my spot right here. Hey, hey, good shot. Hey, good game, good game.